Hello guys everyone, welcome to Smple. Today I will show you how to make this photo in 30 seconds. So it is going to be very easy guys. You don't have to worry about anything. I am going to tell you step by step. If you find any difficulty, you can post it in the comments also, and I am going to reply you for sure, so you don't have to worry about it. And looking at this pic guys, I know you a lot of people want this, so let me show you how it was before and after. First of all, you have to go and download Picsart. Picsart is a very common app guys, but people don't understand how it works, so I will tell you how to make Picsart work. But before that, you have to like and subscribe the channel guys, which is very important. Go and like and subscribe the channel guys now. In the Picsart, you have to search for cartoon effect. You just have to search for cartoon effect guys. And for me, I choose this girl guys. On, if you will scroll down, and I choose this effect, so that for my picture, if you want the same effect, or you can choose any of it guys, any of the effect, click on choose my picture. You have to click on choose my picture, and after this, look at the picture guys. Right now this is the normal photo, and after it you have to click on the next button guys. Step by step, Picsart is gonna edit the cause. Like, if you don't like any of it, you can click on the skip button also, but let it do its job. Click on the next button, give it some time, click on the next, and let it load. It will help you a lot in much cases. Like, give it a time, because it applies so many filters guys, so many filters. You can choose different filters also from here, but as I am liking it, because you don't have to do much, so you can click on the next also. So just click on the next button guys, and it's doing automatically guys. For me, automatically it is doing with me. I have done nothing yet. I have done nothing for this picture. No any changes from my side. As I saw that this is the bad filter that I looked, so I clicked on the skip button guys. You have to click on the skip button if you don't like it, and it will be automatically removed. And as you can see guys, look at my finger. My finger was, also not good. So what I did, I click on the erase button, and I cleared it as well. You can also do it for any of your photos guys, any of your photos. So here we go. As I want to clear my hair also, so this is how it looks. This is what happened. And when you will like it, just click on the next button and click on the save button. It's normal, easy, and fast guys. Make sure to like and subscribe guys. More is going to come. I will tell you even deep secrets also of Picsart guys, that only very less people know. And if you want to do any of the things, if you want to ask any of the things, make sure to post it in the comments, like this stream, and join our Discord server or Instagram guys. That all the social links will be available in the description. Thank you guys, see you in the next one.